Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best electric ranges, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best electric ranges options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which electric ranges is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsung NE63S6511SS Electric Ranges. The Samsung NE63S6511SS is a freestanding electric range that combines modern design with smart features. It boasts a spacious ceramic glass cooktop with 5 burners, including dual-zone elements and a warming zone. The spacious 6.3 cubic feet oven offers convection cooking for even baking and roasting, along with a self-cleaning mode and a steam clean option for easier maintenance. Smart capabilities allow remote control via the SmartThings app. And the range is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Bixby, and Google Assistant. The NE63S6511SS hit a few snags in our testing. The air fry mode produced uneven and inconsistent results. The oven preheats slowly, taking about 12 minutes to reach the target temperature, which is slower than average for electric ranges. Additionally, the rear-mounted burner dials require users to reach across the cooktop to adjust settings, which is a flaw in many freestanding ranges. Number 2. Frigidaire Electric Ranges. If I had known that the Frigidaire convection top range was as bad as it is, I would have never purchased it. I must say that it does look good, but that's where the story ends. Nothing about the setup for the range/oven is easy to perform. Having to press and hold one button, then press and hold a different button, and then a third one multiple times just to turn on a stovetop burner. The oven is the same way, and with both you are able to turn off the range top or oven with just an accidental touch on the switch panel. I do not have a receipt handy at the present time, but I am registered with Frigidaire. While the oven is preheating, it takes time away from the cook time, so your cook time is shorter than it should be. An example would be 400 degrees. It took 13 minutes to preheat to the proper temperature and took the time off the cook time, plus it does not signal you when it is done preheating the outer glass of the electric range oven. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series HEI 8056U. A slide-in range gives you the upscale look of a built-in unit. While the Bosch 800 Series HEI 8056U is pricier than most freestanding models, it's a lot less expensive than a custom-fitted or professional-style range, but will still be a significant upgrade when it comes to aesthetics. It has a heavy-duty construction, a glass panel, and metal control knobs for the cooktop, with a touch panel for the oven. We like the flush look in that the controls are at the front of the appliance rather than sitting on a back panel. In line with its heavy-duty construction, its glide racks make it easy to slide in and out of the oven's 4.6 cubic feet space. You do sacrifice some oven space with this model. While you will be able to fit in the turkey, you may not be able to pack in as many side dishes at once. Below the oven, in place of storage space, there's a warming drawer that will come in handy when you're throwing a party. Number 4. LG Electric Range LREL6325F. The LG LREL6325F freestanding electric range is available in a stainless steel finish and a slightly more expensive black stainless steel finish. The LREL6325D, $100 more. Like other LG appliances, the oven door is equipped with InstaView technology, which turns the oven interior light on and off with a simple 2-tap knock on the window. A thin line of stainless steel surrounds ceramic glass for the cooktop on this range without any gaps between the two materials, which means no grime buildup and hard-to-clean crevices. The 2 front burners are dual-zone and the back 3 are single-zone. The oven has 3 standard racks with 7 positions, and during testing, we found that the upper racks cooked more quickly than the lower racks. 2 trays of cookies baked at the same time were evenly baked across each individual tray, but the 2 trays were strikingly different. This didn't feel like a deal breaker in terms of performance. Number 5. Fotile FreshBake 30-inch electric ranges. The Fotile FreshBake electric range integrates cutting-edge technologies to enhance both performance and safety in the kitchen. At its core is the FreshBake filtration system, which breaks down odors, grease, and VOCs at a molecular level. The company claims it removes over 90% of harmful gases to ensure a cleaner cooking environment. Complementing this is the SynCook technology, which automatically activates the range hood in response to impurities, while the SafeGlow LED heat indicator visually alerts users when surfaces remain hot, reducing the risk of burns. The 5-burner cooktop offers fast, efficient heating, with dual and triple ring elements on the left and right front burners, respectively. The QuadraShield oven door is insulated with 4 layers of glass, including heat-reflective low-E layers, which means a cooler exterior and greater heating efficiency. For convenience, the back vent is magnetically attached.